Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Kajabi affiliate program detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Kajabi affiliate program, first sign in to your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing tab in the left-hand menu. From there, you'll see an option for affiliates. Click on it to access the affiliate management area. In the affiliate section, click on the settings button to adjust your affiliate program preferences. Here, you can configure your commission rates, payment schedules, and other settings. Next, create a unique affiliate link for your program. To do this, go to the Links tab and select Add Link. Enter the details of the product you want to promote, including the product name and description. Once the link is created, it will be available for your affiliates. Now, invite affiliates to join your program by selecting the Invite option. You can send invitations via email or share the sign-up link on your website or social media platforms. Once an affiliate accepts your invitation, they will gain access to their own dashboard. From this dashboard, they can track their sales and commissions. As an admin, you can monitor their performance in the affiliates section. View metrics like clicks, sales, and commission earned for each affiliate. Regularly communicate with your affiliates to keep them motivated and informed about new products and promotions. You can also provide them with marketing materials, which can be uploaded in the Assets tab. Encourage affiliates to use their unique links for tracking purposes. Finally, ensure timely payments are made based on your chosen payment schedule. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your Kajabi affiliate program and maximize your growth potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.